Evening, everybody. Am I perfectly audible as well as visible? Please let me know in the chat section. This is Aniruddha, and I welcome you, everybody, to India's largest live learning platform, the one and only Gradeup. And in today's session, first of all, I'm welcoming you, everyone. And quickly, I'm asking you, everybody, to comment on the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible as well as visible. And in today's session, I'll be mainly discussing about the most important problems on one of the most important topics, that is leveling. So I'm just asking all of you to quickly join and let me know in the chat section. I'm not able to see your chats. Hello Nitish, hello, hi everybody. So audio ठीक ठाक आ रहा है ना everyone? Audio is coming? Okay. Okay, fine. So the point is that in today's section I'll be discussing mainly the top problems on leveling. So quickly hit the like button and share the session with everybody so that everyone can join this wonderful session. Hello Gayatri, Anand, Nitish. Right. And if you haven't, got the Gradeup green card yet for 399, so definitely you can join Gradeup green card. Hello Gayatri, yeah, I'm fine. What about you? So only at a cost of rupees 399, you can subscribe to Gradeup green card. That is the online test series subscription for GATE 2021. Only at rupees 4 you can give one mock test. 100 plus mock tests only at 399. So without wasting much of time, we should start, I think, with the first problem that is on your screen. So please quickly let me know in the chat section. And one more point that I wanted to say you, that if you are having any doubts regarding any concepts or any particular thing which is being discussed over here, don't feel shy to quickly ask that question in the comment section itself, right? Okay, good, Gayatri, fine. So let me know in the chat section, so what is the answer to this particular question. What they're saying is that in a leveling field book, the foresight taken on a point is missing if sum of rises is 1.10, sum of falls 7.705. Okay, sum of backsides is something something, sum of remaining foresights is 7.670. The foresight taken on the missing point is, so it's a very nice question, very simple question although, but I want from all of you, what is the answer to this particular question. Please quickly let me know in the chat section, sir, what is the answer to this particular question. Jaldi jaldi फटाफट hit the like button. Only a very few people have joined yet, so I'm hoping that everybody should join this particular session. So that's why I'm just asking everybody, quickly hit the like button and share the session. Okay. So anybody in the live chat section with the answer to this question, in a leveling field book, the foresight taken on a point is missing. कोई एक particular point में foresight जो है वो missing था. If sum of rises is plus 1.10, sum of falls is 7.705, sum of backsides is something like that. The foresight taken on the missing point. तो एक missing, एक particular point में foresight is missing. गायब है वो, right? So you know that it's a rise and fall method. Yes, Venkata. So you know that summation of backside minus summation of foresight, that is last RL minus first RL, or in other words, it is basically nothing but the summation of rise minus summation of fall. So summation of backside given 2.670. Very good. Summation of foresight given summation of foresight. Yes, 7.670. But sir, this is the summation of the remaining foresights. That means, sir, one foresight is missing. Remaining, these are okay. Summation rise. Summation rise is 1.10. Okay. Summation of fall is 7.705. So from here you can get what is the value of x. Let me know in the chat section. So what is the value of x going to be from this particular discussion? So x is going to be 2.670 minus 1.10, okay, plus 7.705 minus 7.670. So it's going to be 1.57 plus, what is going to be this value? 0.305, right? If I'm not wrong. 0.0305, if I'm not wrong, right? 0.035, yes. So if I just add them two up, so it's going to be 1.605 plus positive wala sign. So that is the correct option, right? Everybody understanding, right? Please let me know in the chat section. So the correct option is A. It's not 0.95. Yeah, it's going to be 0.035, 7.705 minus 7.670. So it's 1.50 plus 0.035, that is 1.605 is the first answer. The concept is very simple. Summation backside minus summation foresight is summation rise minus summation fall. They are saying what? That one of the foresight readings were missing. What is that missing foresight reading? So the remaining sum is 7.67. Answer one more is there, that is X, right? Let me know in the chat section. So what is answer to this question? What they're saying is that an observer standing on the deck of a ship just sees the top of a lighthouse which is 40 meters above the sea level. Okay, if the height of the observer is 8 meters above the sea level, the distance of the observer from the lighthouse in kilometers. It's a very simple question, one mark problem. I hope everyone can do this particular job. Quickly, let me know in the chat section what is the answer to this question. An observer standing on the deck of a ship just sees the top of a lighthouse which is 40 meters above the sea level. If the height of the observer I is 8 meters above the sea level, the distance of the sea. So everybody knows the actual concept. Of course, so it is basically D is equal to what we write is H1, okay, by 0.0673, okay, where D is in kilometer, H1 is in meter, okay. This is D1 and D2, that is root over H2 by 0.0673. Okay, many people will ask me why, sir, and how. So the point is very, very simple. Okay, okay, good, Debrina. So all the people who are not able to join right now, I will be requesting all of you to watch the lecture later. So lighthouse, which is 40 meters above the sea level. Okay, so this is actually 40 meters above the sea level. This is say a lighthouse or something like that, and the height of the observer that is there, that is only 8 meters. Okay, so this is 8 meters and this is 40 meters. What is the total distance in between them? That is what they are asking. Right, so this is actually D1, this is actually D2. So this is the sum of them is the total distance in between them, D1 plus D2. So if you just calculate it properly, it will give you a particular value 3.855 if I'm not wrong, root over of H1 plus root over of H2. एक बार check कर लेना whether actually you are getting this particular value, yes or no. 3.855, yes, 3.855. This is it going to be in kilometer. Fine. So just put the values over here. Just do it. You are going to get, I think, this value 3.855, right? So it's 3.855 root over of H1. H1 means the height of the lighthouse, that is 40. Okay, plus root over of this 8 meter. Okay, 3.855 root over of 40 plus root over of 8. So it is coming 35 point something. One is 40 meters above, one is 8 meters above. Okay, so what should be the distance in between them? क्या लगता है क्या होगा distance? Check it and let me know in the chat section. It's coming out to be 35.28 कुछ ऐसा आ रहा था, I think. Okay, let me just calculate it once. Yeah, it's coming 35.28 kilometer. Okay, so the nearest option is, yeah, C. The correct option is C. Yeah. So be careful regarding your calculations, everybody. What they're saying is that an observer is standing over here, which is having an eye. उसका जो आँख का level है, his eyesight level is at a distance of 8 meters from there, and the lighthouse is situated at a height of 40 meters, right? So what should be the distance in between them so that to the observer only the tip of the lighthouse is observed? What should be the distance in between them? So it's D1 plus D2, right? Okay, fine. Next question is upon your screen. This is also a very small question. I hope you can understand. I just want to touch upon all the topics of leveling, which is one of the most important topics as far as survey is concerned. Correct. Following readings refer to an operation of reciprocal leveling station. As staff ratings both are given to you. Okay, so these are the stations. Okay, station staff ratings are something like this. So a difference in elevation between A and B is, it's a very, very simple question. I hope everybody can do it, right? ये बहुत ही आसान सा question है. I hope simply everybody can do it. So please let me know in the chat section, sir, what is the answer to this very easy question. Right. So Krishna is answering which option? This one C or the other question? What you are talking about over here? This question C. Okay, Gopal is also saying C. I think both of you are talking about this question. So everybody knows, I think, what is the concept of uh, you know difference in elevation in between the 2 points. So reciprocal leveling, everybody knows. So this is, for example, a station, particular station. Near it, I am doing it. Okay, first of all, and this is say another point which is there. कोई भी एक particular point, I don't know about that point. So they are saying A पे उसको आ रहा है, this, and B they are getting this much actually. So it's 2.675, 1.575, right? Now the point is that actually in the second turn of the events, what they are saying actually, it's delta H. So from here delta H is 2.675 plus correction. Why? Because this reading is erroneous. When I'm situating the hello Sonu, good evening. When I'm situating the instrument near A and looking at B, okay, looking at B, on that occasion, reading of B is erroneous. Reading at A is absolutely correct. 1.575. This delta H. Now in the reverse events, when I'm saying that I'm putting the instrument over, you know, B actually, and basically what am I trying to do is that I am trying to cite A. Okay, I'm trying to cite A actually. So what other events turns? Let's see that also. So particularly this particular thing is happening. Okay, so this reading is 2.425 and this reading is 1.285. Understand the concept, it will clear many doubts. Okay, don't just go by the formula. If suppose I am asking you in the same question, I'm just giving you another additional question to it. Just I am saying, for example, if RL of A is 200 meter, what is the RL of B? Just do it. If RL of A is 200 meter, RL of B is what? If suppose you don't know which one is at a higher elevation, you can't do it. Get my point? What I'm trying to say. That's why always try to know the concept. What is the concept behind it? Everybody knows the formula delta H is equal to half of the difference in the readings. Everybody knows it. But this is the concept. Concept is actually this one, that yes, both are having a difference of delta H. So the true elevation difference delta H is equal to what, sir? Is equal to this reading now is erroneous 1.285 plus C. This reading is erroneous. Now this reading is okay because this reading is taken near and this reading is taken far. Yes. So it's 2.425 plus C minus 1.285. So now that's not, sorry, it's not plus C. यहाँ पे plus C होगा. Now the correction here is in front of this. So now you have two equations. Delta H is equal to 2.675. This is which correction? Combined correction due to curvature, refraction, and also collimation error, etc. Everything is included over there, right? 1.575. Quickly hit the like button and share the session with everyone. Now it's coming to, for example, 2.425 minus 1.285 plus C. Now when you are adding it, it's coming to delta H, and from here you are basically doing 1.67, 2.675 minus 1.575 plus 2.425 minus 1.285. This minus C and plus C gets cancelled and delta H is just the difference, the sum of the difference basically divided by 2. So what you are doing is half of whatever this total thing is coming, and that is going to lead you to an answer of 1.12 meter. Fine. The answer is C. But if the question they are asking if RL of A is 200 meter, what is the RL of B? Okay, now the answer can be 200 plus 1.12. The answer can be 200 minus 1.12 also. So that is why you have to draw the figure. You have to at least know from the readings that which station is above which station, right? So if RL of A is 200 meters, so you are watching that A is above B, right? So RL of B must be lower than it. 200 minus 1.12 is 198.88 meter. Hello Kushdeep, good evening, right? So the next question is up on your screen. In this particular question, they're asking in a two peg test of a level, the readings on a staff held on A and B 100 meter apart from the instrument at C midway between A and B were 1.682 and 1.38 respectively. In a two peg, peg मतलब जो आप सोच रहे हो वो वाला peg नहीं, ठीक है? So let me know in the chat section. So what is the answer to this question? Very simple question. Once again, I hope everybody can do it. The reading on a staff held on A and B 100 meter apart from the instrument at C midway between A and B were 1.682 and 1.320 respectively. The instrument is shifted and set up near A and the staff readings on A and B are 1.528 and 1.178 respectively. Fine. The collimation error in 100 meter is, what is the collimation error? The instrument is shifted and set up near A and the staff readings on A and B are 1.528 and 1.178 respectively. Quickly let me know in the chat section what is the answer to this question. फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी. Collimation error पूछा है in 100 meter. What is the collimation error in 100 meter? quickly फटाफट. अरे यार क्या कर रहे हो? Quickly let me know in the chat section. What is the answer to this collimation error? Collimation error कैसे निकालते सर? How to find out collimation error? Everybody knows it, yes or no? Yes sir. So what they are saying, initially two stations were there, A and B. Okay, 100 meter apart. Instrument at C midway between A and B. यहाँ पे है instrument, right? So when the instrument is actually midway, then what is the collimation error? Zero. The collimation error on that occasion is zero, sir. When the instrument is midway, A and B, so the collimation error, actually whatever happened due to this A, the same collimation error happened in case of B also, because the instrument is at the midway. I shouldn't say zero, they're equal. The collimation error का मतलब everybody knows, I think. What is the meaning of collimation error? What is the meaning of collimation error, sir? Collimation error means, for example, an instrument is there, its horizontal axis is not horizontal. On that occasion, it is known as collimation error. That means the axis is going to lean downwards. Okay. So you should get this particular value as the reading, but instead you are getting this value as the reading. This is known as collimation error. Right? Fine. So basically what you are doing is that, actually understand, you were about to get this values are reading and आपको जो मिल रहा है वो है क्या? Negative. So in this occasion, both the collimation errors are going to be same. No problem about that. So Krishna is saying option A. I hope he is correct. Now they are saying the instrument is shifted and set up near A. The staff readings on A and B are this fine. ये A है, ये B है. So in this occasion, the staff readings were respectively 1.682. So the actual reading should have been 1.682 plus C. Actual reading should have been. And here also it should have been 1.320 plus C. ऐसा होना चाहिए था, right? Fine. The instrument shifted and set up near A and the set staff readings were this. अब ये A के पास में shift आ गया है, near to A. Okay. The staffs are shifted near A, and I'm getting a readings of 1.528 and 1.178. Okay. So it is actually 1.528 and it is 1.178. 1.528 and 1.178. So in this occasion, tell me what is the collimation error going to be? यहाँ पे कितना collimation error होने वाला है सर? Anybody in the live chat section? But error is coming 0.006. रुको तो सरा, रुको. Okay, the point is that, understand one point. देखो station से I can see many people are just escaping from the station. अरे यार problem tough है. That is a common thing that you do actually. Without understanding a single word. Just be focused. Every problem is not just formula based that will be given to you in the question. So here, what will be the collimation error? That will be 2C. Why? Because in this case, if in this case the collimation error is C, in this case the collimation error is going to be 2C. Why? Because when the instrument was at the midpoint, Then the collimation error was coming due to 50 meter, 50 meter. Now the collimation error is coming due to 100 meter. So of course the error is going to be 2c. It's as simple as that, right, sir? Suppose I am saying that this is theta. Okay, this is the collimation error. This is say L. What is this value? आप क्या बोलोगे? This is L tan theta. Aggregate tan theta is equal to x by L. So x is equal to L tan theta. Fine. Now suppose I'm increasing the distance to 2L. Okay. Now on that occasion, what will be this value? It's 2L tan theta. Simple सी बात है. Right? So the error is going to be double in this case. Understanding the concept, please let me know in the chat section. सबको समझ में आ रहा है हाँ या ना quickly बोलोगे एक बार. Let me know in the chat section whether you people are getting it, yes or no. Clear? So how do you actually find it? I am just letting you know a particular formula क्योंकि you know the kind of okay, fine. So it's collimation error. Whatever you are going to get, that is your half of half of simply 1.528 minus 1.178, 1.682. Yes, sir. 0.006 is coming. Yeah, you have to do the double of that, na? You have to do the double of that. 1.682 minus, okay, 1 uh what is coming actually over here is that they are asking what is the collimation error means. Actually the 2c wala case they are asking in this occasion, that what is going to be the question in case of the 2c, right, sir? So collimation error, so that means if I ask what is the true difference of height in between A and B, so you will tell me 1.682 plus C minus 1.320 plus C. Fine, this is the actual height difference. Fine. Okay, in this occasion, sir, what is the difference in height? It is 1.178, sorry, 1.528 minus 1.178 plus 2C. Now, sir, both are equal. Both are equal. Height का जो difference है वो दोनों ही बराबर है एक दूसरे का. So from here, what I am going to get is that it's very simple. Understand. Delta H is the difference in height between the two levels A and B. These are the same. तुम instrument को जहाँ पे भी रख दो, wherever you place the instrument doesn't matter. But sir, A and B, the difference in these 2 points is going to be same. Either you keep it midway or you keep it near A and measuring near B, doesn't matter at all, right? So sir, this delta H from here you are equating to delta H from here you are equating to 1.320 plus C. This is also delta H, and that is also same as 1.528 minus 1.178 plus 2C. Right, sir? So tell me what is the answer to this particular question going to be? It simply C is half of 1.682 minus 1.320 minus, यहाँ पे देखो आ रहा है आपका minus. I hope everybody is understanding the question. 1.528 minus 1.728 क्योंकि C है, C is going to be this one. Please let me know the chat section what is the value coming. 1.682 to 1.32, okay, minus 1.528 minus 1.178, 1.178, right? Whatever जो भी आएगा आंसर 0.012 by 2 आ रहा है ना, तो you are saying it's 0.006 coming. The answer is coming as 0.006. Fine, not a big deal. Where we would mention yes, yes. Okay, fine. So it's 0.006 meter. Now you will ask me, sir, no answer is 0.006 meter. Okay, but they are asking the collimation error in 100 meter. You are finding out C. C is the collimation error in 50 meter, not in 100 meter. This and 2C is the collimation error is 100 meter, and that's why the answer is 0.006 into 2, that is 0.012 meter, and that's why option A is correct. Understanding what I'm trying to say? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? They are asking the collimation error in 100 meter. That means they are asking for a value of 2C, not C. You are calculating C. C is the value of the collimation error in 50 meter. That means L tan theta. I want 2L tan theta. So that's why into 2. And the answer is plus 0.012. Clear a concept, everybody? I think it's clear. Fine. Next question is up on your screen. Hello, Varsha. Good evening. RL of the floor of the building is 174.4 meters. Staff reading on the floor is 1.725 meter. I hope all of you have understood the question and all of you have enjoyed the question. Those people who are there actually, I have seen already the live count has decreased a lot just because the problem is a little bit conceptual. थोड़ा समझने वाली बात है. तो obvious बात है कि आधा से ज्यादा लोग भाग जाएंगे because इसमें समझने वाली कोई चीज है इसलिए. तो that's a general trend. I am okay. No need to take. कैसे? How, man? It's 100 meter only. 100 meter पे you tell me what is the correction due to 100 meter. On 100 meter, what is the correction? 0.0673 into zero point 0.1 का square. The value is 0.000673 meter. ये लेके करोगे आप? Okay. How to make equation for delta h? Delta h कोई इक्वेशन नहीं है भाई. डेल्टा एच मीन्स दैट एलिवेशन डिफरेंस. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ एक पॉइंट का आरएल है ये, एक पॉइंट का आरएल है ये. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन एलिवेशन रे? डेल्टा एच, दिस इज द डेल्टा एच. इफ दिस इज एक्स, दिस इज वाई, तो इट्स वाई माइनस एक्स इज डेल्टा एच. सिंपल सी बात है. वन डाउट सर? या प्लीज आस्क. तो मुझे लगा 9 PM होगा क्लास. हाँ, 20:00 टाइमिंग लिखा था कहाँ पे? Okay, fine. So please let me know in the chat section, sir, what is the answer to this particular question. Anyone having any doubt, let me know in the chat section what is the answer to this question. 8 PM पे तो class है already Gradeup Civil Champions channel में. So in previous question, delta H was total error ना? Delta H was total error मतलब समझ में नहीं आया. Delta H is the difference in height. Delta H कोई error नहीं है. Delta H is the difference in height of the 2 points. This is one point. This is the another point. Okay. I am keeping the staff over here, for example. Okay. This is a measurement. Y1 I am taking, and this is a measurement. Say Y2 I am taking. Okay. The difference in elevation of the 2 points is delta H. Okay. So delta, please, go and watch the Telegram channel. Every link is being shared multiple times. Delta H is Y2 minus Y1. But the point is that क्या 0.0785 by 7 वाला क्यों नहीं लगा कॉलिमेशन? ये कॉलिमेशन एरर का कौन सा फॉर्मूला है रे? हाँ, क्या मतलब कुछ दिमाग में नहीं रहता है, एक भी रिवीजन नहीं करते हो. हाँ, आपके आज की दिखी नहीं. तुम टेलीग्राम चैनल को फॉलो नहीं करते हो तो मैं क्या करूं? Okay, so the point is that Abhishek, what you are saying is not collimation error, that is error due to refraction. And this is y2, so it's y2 plus c होगा. Correction यहाँ पे कुछ लगेगा. I need a correction. Why? Because this value is far away. That's why इसमें collimation error देखो ना ज्यादा आएगा. That's why it's y2 plus c minus 1. This is delta h. ये मैंने किया बस और कुछ नहीं. Okay. So when the instrument was midway, अगर इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कि था यहाँ पे when it was put midway, बीच में था. Okay, so what I was having is that when the instrument is midway, so what was happening is that this is the correction C. यहाँ पे भी correction C ही होगा ना? Everyone getting my point? Fine. So from here also getting my point. So I hope all the doubts are cleared. I think I have answered 3 questions from 3 people which are over here. So what they're saying, RL of floor of a building is 174.4 meters. Staff reading on the floor is 1.725. Staff reading on the floor is okay. Staff reading on the floor is means basically the backside reading 1.725. The RL of this point is 174.5. Okay. After that, staff reading when it is held inverted with bottom touching the ceiling of a hall. Okay, this is the way. So it's 2.940 meter. What they're asking is that actually what is the height? What is the height? The height you can see from the figure. It's very simple. Okay, 1.725. ये तो होता है ना सर? कौन सा चीज होता है? हाँ जी, देख लो ना बस, ये फिगर देख लो. फ्रॉम द फिगर इट इज एविडेंट. 1.725 plus 2.940. 1.725 plus 2.940. So whatever be the answer, जो भी आंसर होगा, let me know in the chat section, sir. 4.665 I guess is the correct answer, right? Everybody understanding what I'm trying to say? Everybody understanding what I'm trying to say? Let me know in the chat section, sir, whether you people are able to understand it. Whether the answer is 4.665 आ रहा है ना? चेक कर लो एक बार भी. Do check it, please. This is coming, right? Fine. Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the chat section, sir. What is the answer to this question? During reciprocal leveling, the following observations are taken on two pegs. Look, the questions that I was saying you were fixed on opposite banks of 100-meter wide river, sir. ऊपर formula like है sir. ऊपर formula लिखे है sir. फॉर्मूला की क्या जरूरत है दोस्त? Why you want a formula? जब आपको सारे फिगर दिख रहा है. You will go by the formula. I will give you such a question that you can't do because every question is different. If you know the concept, any formula, any concept, आप लिख सकते हो. It's one दिख रहा है ना आपको? It's 1.725. Inverted staff reading is this 2.940. So they are asking me what is the height between the floor and the ceiling. क्या है? 1.725 plus 2.940. Such a simple question. Fine. Next question is up on your screen. They're saying what during reciprocal leveling the following observations are taken on two pegs. Sir, collimation. हाँ कॉलिमेशन. हाँ समझा समझा मैं. हाँ कॉलिमेशन भी कर सकते हो वैसे आप एक्चुअली. एच बी माइनस एच ए प्लस एच. हाँ जी. कैपिटल एच आई थिंक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. कैपिटल एच मीन्स क्या बोलते हैं उसको तुम्हारे हाइट का डिफरेंस, राइट? व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड डेल्टा कैपिटल एच. रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल प्लीज डू दिस प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट आई हैव टेकन एज डेल्टा कैपिटल एच आई थिंक यू आर टेकिंग एट कैपिटल एच, राइट? होगा, बिल्कुल होगा, चलेगा. फाइन, यू कैन डू इट. कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव शोन यू, यू नो, जस्ट आप फॉर्मूला आप कुछ भी लगाओ. So let me know in the chat section what is the answer to this question. So when instrument is at A1, right? Then this is the staff reading. So what they are saying is that the RL of peg A is. So first thing is that you have to judge that which peg is at the top, peg A or peg B. So instrument at A1, A1 is a point close to A, right? So what they are doing is that when I am at A1, okay, I am just doing it. It's 1.350. Okay, and this is your 1.550 meter. Okay, fine. So where is the possibility of error, sir? Error की possibility कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. Okay, so this reading needs a correction. Those people who are unable to find out कि क्या हो रहा था. This is for example the true difference in these 2 points A and B. ये A है, ये B है, right? So what can I write as delta H? Delta H I will write 1.550 plus C minus 1.350. Why plus C? Because this is a far away point where errors are subject to come. But this is a near point, so any error, the opportunity, the probability of any collimation error is negligible. Fine. Next, when I am putting the instrument near B, what is the thing happening, sir? Near B, when I am putting, okay, so what is happening is that I am getting a value of 0.750 meter, okay, and instrument at A, if when I'm calculating basically instrument at A, then I am getting actually a reading of 0.550 meter. So what is the difference in RL in this case, sir? In this case, it will be delta H 0.750 minus 0.550 plus C. ये वाले रीडिंग पे आपको करेक्शन चाहिए. You require correction. Why? Because this reading is now far away. That's why. Fine, chalo. So now you have got two equations of delta H. One is your from the first observation, that is this one. If you do it in this fashion, any question, whatever they're asking, solve mechanism, is there any program like this? Program means, so in app actually daily classes are happening. Do join the classes in the app. From tomorrow itself, I'm starting a 50 mark series. That means after attending that series, you will be eligible for 50 marks in GATE if you attend that series fully. Okay. B में पीछे क्यों लिया सर? B में पीछे क्यों लिया मतलब? पीछे कहाँ हो रहा है? लिखा तो हुआ यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट एट B1. B1 is a point close to B. तो इसलिए मैंने B के करीब रखा इसको. Okay, so the point is that actually, if this is the point actually, so now if you are just adding these 2 points, it's 2 delta H, and that you are getting it's 1.550 minus 1.350 plus 0.750 minus 0.550. So delta H is equal to what I am trying to say is doing. लिखा हुआ है, क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा पढ़ो, ठीक है, बिना क्वेश्चन पढ़े सवाल मत पूछो. So it's actually 0.2. So the answer is coming as delta H is 0.2 meter. So peg B, this height is 100.50 meter. Okay, 100.50 meter. Okay, RL of meter of peg A is then at a higher level. So it's 100.500 plus zero point 0.2, that is 100.700 meter. Fine. Next question is up on your screen that you can see over here. They are saying that the leveling staff held at a distance of 250 meter is read at 4.55 meter with the bubble out of center by 3 divisions towards the observer. If the sensitivity of the bubble is 30 seconds per division and one division is equal to 3 mm, the actual staff reading must have been. So it's a question you can see from the, you can say, किसके ऊपर है दोस्त, sensitivity of the bubble tube. Over this actually concept the questions have been asked, so I hope you can do it very easily, and let me know in the chat section what is the answer to this particular question. Very simple question. I hope you can easily do it. Quickly let me know in the chat section, so what is the answer, or what should have been the, what would have been the answer to this particular question. फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी बता दो मुझे. So what they are saying is that actually that the leveling staff you can see is held by held at distance of 250 meter. तो आप लोग जानते हो this concept, everybody knows sir. What is the concept? Concept is, say this is the thing. Okay, fine. What they are saying is read at 4.55 meter with a bubble out of center by 2 divisions towards the observer. 2 divisions towards the observer. Okay, here is the observer, for example. It is inclined like this, a little bit inclined like this. Fine. So you have to find out what is the error. What is the error that is actually happening due to this shift of the bubble. Bubble is out of the center by 2 divisions. Okay. So previous question में second time correction वाले में original minus करना है ना, क्या बोल रहे हो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे, क्या बोल रहे हो. Every calculation is done over here. Okay, please watch it and see it. Okay, obviously जब when I was taking reading near A, तो A वाला reading एरर फ्री होगा, B वाला रीडिंग में एरर आएगा. जब मैं B के करीब इंस्ट्रूमेंट को रखा हूं तो ये वाला रीडिंग मेरा एरर फ्री होगा, ये वाला रीडिंग मेरा एरनियस होगा. ए वाला रीडिंग जो है वो एरनियस होगा क्योंकि ये दूर में है, इसलिए तो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे करेक्शन लगाया. यहाँ पे करेक्शन लगाया था इस केस में क्योंकि इंस्ट्रूमेंट ए के पास था तो बी वाले रीडिंग एरनियस था. यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट बी के पास है तो ए वाले रीडिंग एरनियस है. दोनों को मैंने जोड़ दिया और कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. फाइन. सो प्लीज डू दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. एवरीबॉडी आई थिंक नोज इट कि व्हाट इज नोन एज द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द बबल ट्यूब. Everybody knows it. Please let me know in the chat section. What is the meaning of sensitivity of the bubble tube? सबको पता है रे, हाँ या ना बोलोगे क्विकली. So sensitivity of the bubble tube has two equations. Everybody knows it. Let me know in the chat section, sir. What is the meaning of sensitivity of the bubble tube? So one definition is this is say theta. If this is say theta actually, if this is say theta on that occasion, this is S, this is D. So tan theta is equal to, I will write S by D. चलेगा? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? Everybody, I am getting right. S by D. So I know that if theta is small, you can say that theta is equal to S by D almost in terms of radian. In terms of radian, theta is equal to S by D. Tan theta is very small, then theta is S by D. Fine. Next is from the, this is from the geometry. That okay, fine. This is a level tube, and this level tube it is inclined. It is inclined. Now you are going to say in which direction it is inclined. In which direction it is inclined? It can be inclined in positive this way and also negative this way. So they are saying what the actual stuff reading जो है, actual stuff reading should have been what they are saying. Okay, They are saying that when the bubble is out of center by two divisions towards the observer, observer की तरफ दो division गया है. Okay, so this is actually the point. So actually इसका जो reading होगा ना, that it should be like this actually. Towards the observer बोला है ना, towards the observer means it is going to be like this actually. इस तरह की होगा. Because towards the observer ये shift हुआ है, मतलब it will shift in the backward direction. This is for example a bubble tube. Bubble tube इस तरीके से होता है, right? This is a bubble tube. यहाँ पे से markings रहता है. Markings are like this, right? Understand the point. These are the markings. Now what is happening is that if I am, this is a, for example, the bubble. Okay, bubble actually the center में रहता है bubble. So tan inverse आएगा ना. Theta is small, that's why tan theta is equal to theta. Okay, got the concept what I'm trying to say. This is tan theta. Theta is small, so theta is s by d radian. That's why I have taken. Okay, understand the point. Now, sir, what is happening is that also this particular angle is also theta. Here, some angle was there. I am shifting this particular thing towards the front. Yeah, front आपका. Understand the question. It's a very nice question again. Okay. So if I do it like this, the bubble will shift towards the observer. If I do it like this, the bubble will go away from the observer. Okay, so here the bubble, they are saying that the bubble is shifting towards the observer. That's why. Okay, sir. So if the bubble is shifting towards the observer, actually, the actual reading I am measuring is this, and the actual reading I should have measured is this one. Actual staff reading would have been this one, but I am measuring actually this particular value. I am measuring this. This is the measured value. This is the true value. So you can see from the figure that measured value plus this S will be the true value. Fine. Chalo. So theta is equal to S by D. There is no problem. Now, sir, what do you mean by the term sensitivity? What do you mean by that? Sensitivity means to cause unit shift. To cause unit shift. Okay. How much angle I need to rotate? How much angle I need to rotate to cause the division, unit division shift. So when I am doing it by theta angle, it is shifting by theta angle. So it has, gone out of the center by two divisions. When this much of angle is there, na, so what is happening? The bubble tube, it has gone out of the center by two divisions. So sensitivity means that if the to cause unit shift, unit क्या बोलते उसको तुम्हारे, unit division shift, what is the angle that needs to be rotated? That is known as sensitivity. So basically, sensitivity is actually S by ND. इसको आप बोलते हो sensitivity. This is known as sensitivity. Now you will ask me, sir, why S by ND? Because understand this point. S by D, right? इतना radian. This much angle needs to be rotated to cause the shift of N division. To cause the shift of N division. N division अगर मैं bubble को shift करना चाहता हूँ, if I want to shift the bubble by N division from its mean position, I need to rotate the tube by S by D radian. Correct? If I want to shift the bubble by one division, I will rotate the bubble by S by D by N division, which is S by ND radian. S by ND radian, if I talk about, so how many seconds, beta? You know, 1 radian is equal to 206,20265 seconds. 206,265 कहाँ से आ रहा है ये तो समझो पहले. 1 radian is 206,265 seconds. That's why I am multiplying it by 206,265 seconds. ऐसे नहीं. One division moment is in the bubble. Yes. So the point is that actually S by ND कहाँ से आ रही है 206,265? 1 radian. मतलब है 180 डिग्री बाई पाई, दैट इज 180 बाई पाई इंटू 60 सेकेंड्स, because 1 degree 60 minute, 1 minute 60 seconds. If you do it, it will almost come near to 206,265. Okay, so this is the sensitivity. Now sir, the sensitivity is already given to you in the question. Sensitivity जो है वो already given है question में, understanding, that is 30 seconds. So in case if it is already given to you, so just put the value, उसका value put कर दो, that 30 seconds is equal to 30 seconds is equal to S by N. N मतलब the number of divisions by which it has shifted. D. D is what, sir? The distance. The distance is 250 meter. Fine. Okay. S by ND into 206265 seconds. So this S will come directly in meter. It's 30 into 2 into 250 by 206265. Let me know in the chat section whether you people have understood it, yes or no. सबको समझ में आया? हाँ या ना? Quickly let me know in the chat section, sir, whether you people are understanding it, yes or no. So it's coming as 0.073 meter. All right. So क्या लिखे हो? 1 by sine 1 second क्या? So, okay, 0.073. This is the error. Actually, this is the error. So, what reading you are actually measuring? 4.55 meter. This is the reading you are measuring. Okay, 4.55 meter. This is the reading you are measuring. The reading that you should measure is how much, sir? Is 4.55 plus 0.073. So, actually, the answer should be 4.623 मीटर. गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट एवरीबॉडी? समझ में आया कॉन्सेप्ट? इसी तरीके का प्रॉब्लम आने का चांसेस है दोस्त. ओके, द पॉइंट इज एक्चुअली दिस. You don't expect, please, actually, that every problem will be just like tick mark. It's was IIT Bombay setting up the question. Okay, it's not like that. Every problem is going to be tick mark type. क्या हो और मुझे बता दो what is the difference in height. Okay, every problem is not like that. So you have to go inside the concepts, and that is what is mainly important for the questions. Fine. So this type of problem actually we have done. Yeah. So let me know in the chat section, so what is the answer to this particular question? What they are saying is that actually very simple question. I hope you can easily be able to do it. ये क्या हो गया? हाँ, in a differential leveling, the summation of all rises and summation of all falls are 9.455 and 8.325 respectively. The RL of the first point is 125 meter. The RL of the last point where the staff is held will be. It's a very simple question. Just you have to know the concept. Concept क्या है आपको पता है? That summation of backside or summation of foresight. ये है concept. Summation backside minus summation foresight. गेट स्कोर कितना चाहिए सर इंडियन ऑल में? 75 above 75 for general cast I'm saying. Okay, that is summation of rises minus summation of fall, that is equal to last RL minus first RL. Everybody knows it, right? So from here they have given you summation of all rises and summation of all falls. So it's 9.455 summation of rises minus summation of falls 8.325. That is equal to last RL minus first RL. So last point it is not given, last RL, right? First point is given 125. So what is the last RL? It's 125 plus 9.455 8.325. Whatever be the answer, you just do it and let me know. 8.325 plus 125. So the answer is coming as 126.13 meter. I hope everyone got it right. Chalo. Moving on to the next question. What they're saying is that the distance between two benchmarks is 1000 meter. Okay. And what they are saying is that the distance between the two benchmark that is given to you is 100 meter, sorry, 1000 meter. If during leveling the total error due to collimation, curvature and refraction is found to be 0.120 meter, then the magnitude of the collimation error is. Sir, in previous question, bubbles displacement that is 2 mm is not useful for calculation. No, that is not useful for calculation at all. Because on that occasion that would have been useful if they are asking you regarding the क्या बोलते हैं तुम्हारे उसको radius of the bubble tube or something like that regarding that point. If someone is asking you, then that part would have been useful. Okay. For example, anybody in the live chat section, sir, category wise gate rank change होती है. Category wise gate rank मतलब समझा नहीं मैं. Okay, so what is the magnitude of the collimation error? Anybody in the live chat section? So basically, total error is given to you 0.120 meter. Out of them, you know curvature and refraction के वजह से जो total error आता है, that you already know, it's 0.0673 into d kilometer square. This is the combined curvature plus refraction. So 0.0673 d kilometer. D kilometer means 1000 meter. That means 1 square. 0.0673 meter. Right? Revision. Yes, yes, yes. So it's 0.120 meter. This is the total correction. So it's collimation plus curvature plus refraction. Okay. So the total error is 0.120. Out of that, this is your 0.0673. Okay. Magnitude, if I'm talking about magnitude. So the curvature correction, the error is actually 0.120 minus 0.0673 is 0.0527 meter. I hope this is going to be the answer, right? Everyone, समझ में आ गया. चलो, ये तो ऑप्शन बी. आई मीन जनरल और ओबीसी कैटेगरीज. यस, ऑफ कोर्स मार्क्स का तो डिफरेंस होता ही है. दैट फॉर एग्जांपल इन जनरल, इफ 80 marks is required, for example, I'm telling you. So on that occasion, that will be around 70 to 72 for OBC. 70 to 72 for OBC. Okay, on that occasion. So let me know in the chat section, sir, what they are asking about is that the sensitiveness of a level tube decreases if. Let me know in the chat section. नहीं होती है सिर्फ कट ऑफ. रैंक कैटेगरीज नहीं होती है सिर्फ कट ऑफ. Yeah, that's what I'm saying now, that cut-offs are different for general and of course for general. For example, in Indian Oil, the cut-off is 80. So 75 to 80%, normally 80% होता है, 80 to 90% is almost the cutoff for the OBC. For example, it's 70, it would be for OBC. For SC, it is going to be two-third. That is, if that is 80 for general, for SC, it is going to be 50, almost 60 के आसपास कुछ होगा, 58 or something like that. And for ST, it is going to be less than 50%. That means 30 or 40, I think it's going to be for ST. Okay. So Venkat is saying D. Yes, of course it's correct. Both viscosity and surface tension are increased. If viscosity is increased, what is going to happen? If mano viscosity is very much increased, what is going to happen on that occasion? Through the level tube, through the level tube, through the level tube, what is going to happen is that it's not a fixed criteria actually, right? So now I'm just telling you on in general. So if viscosity of a fluid is increased, then what will happen? Then it is going to offer more friction. तो वो आगे नहीं जाएगा. So if it is not very much agile in the movement, so what is going to happen? That it is not sensitive. Sensitive means what? Sensitive means that it is very frequently showing you the change. So if viscosity and surface tension both are increased, so what is going to happen is that the movement is not very fluid of the bubble के अंदर जो liquid है, that liquid, right? Okay, next question is up on your screen. There's one more question on this bubble tube. Okay, I hope you can do it. So if the staff intercept on a staff located at 100 meter from the level for 5 division deviation of the bubble is 0.05 meter, and if the length of one division of the bubble is 2 mm, then the radius of curvature of the bubble tube is, yeah, here your question comes. कंसंट्रेट नहीं हो पा रहे. किस वजह से कंसंट्रेट नहीं हो पा रहे हो आप? हे भगवान, ये कमेंट तो आता है. रेजिस्टेंस टू मोशन ऑफ लिक्विड मोर. यस, ये यावर. सो मुस्ताक साहब, आप इसका आंसर दे दो. एनी पीएसयू इज बेटर टू 75 प्लस. यस, ऑफ कोर्स. So let me know in the chat section. So what is the answer to this question? If the staff intercept on a staff located at 100 meter from the level for 5 division deviation of the bubble is 0.05 meter, the length of one division. देखो यहाँ पे your someone was asking, I think, that what is the use of that per division. Okay, so on that occasion, this is going to be useful for you. How it is going to be useful? For example, sir, this is the angle theta. This is the angle theta. Initially, the bubble was here. यहाँ पे था bubble. अब वो shift करके यहाँ पे चला गया. The bubble now had come here due to the theta movement. Okay. For example, it has total shifted n divisions. N division total मानो shift कर गया ये. मान लो. Okay. So on that occasion, sir, how much total path it has traveled? NL. Understanding? So can I write, sir, if the radius of the bubble tube is r, so can I write NL by r is theta, right, sir? And what is alpha? So 5 division bubble. So everything is given to you over here. At a staff located 100 meter from the located. Okay. And from the earlier division, from the earlier question, you have found that theta is equal to S by D. Okay. From the earlier question, you have found now, sir, if this is S, this is D, then this is theta. Of course, theta is equal to S by D. Just equate these two to get the answer. Just equate these two to get the answer, right? So I hope you are going to get the answer and let me know in the chat section जो भी आ रहा है answer. If it is coming at C, so it's fine C. I don't have any problem. ठीक है. यहाँ से from this equation you will be able to calculate. If it's coming C, C आ रहा है तो चलो सही है C आ रहा है. I'm not taking it, right? You're saying C, so it's C. I have told you the concept. This is the concept. Fine. Okay. So this is the homework for today. Let me know in the comment section. आप लोग homework बिल्कुल नहीं करते हो. So let me know in the comment section what is the homework for this actually thing. Okay. Take the screenshot. That is length of his division is L. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, sir. तो 8 बजे अभी हम मिलते हैं आपसे 2 मिनट में. I'm just meeting you in 2 minutes on Gradeup Civil Champions channel with the top 12 problems on sewage characteristics. Sir, staff intercept. Staff intercept मतलब है S. S. This S actually. Right, that is staff intercept. Okay, बताया तो. So if you want to join our any gate course for 2022, then be ready to join the batch 3 for gate and ESC 2022. 950 plus hours of live classes, 10,000 plus practice questions. Okay, Amar ji. 100 plus mock tests, 120 plus chapter wise study notes, ideal for the second and third year engineering students. You can just call in this number 965005290 to get yourself enrolled in a very, very affordable rate. The most affordable in India, where the the best pool of faculties are ready to educate you actually. 7 दिया नहीं हुआ है. स्टाफ इंटरसेप्ट जो है ये तो दिख रहा है ना आपको. ऑन अ स्टाफ लोकेटर फॉर 5 डिवीजन डेविएशन इफ द लेंथ ऑफ 1 डिवीजन ऑफ द बबल इज, अच्छा नहीं दिया हुआ है ना बबल, इट इज नॉट गिवन. ओके, द रेडियस ऑफ द कर्वेचर ऑफ द बबल ट्यूब इज ओके फाइन. सर फ्रॉम टुमारो 50 मार्क्स सेशन यू विल बी लाइव एट ग्रेडअप ऐप. यस, ग्रेडअप ऐप एक्चुअली आई विल बी लाइव. Okay, staff intercept is not given na, that is the concern you are having. NLD by S, yeah. So from the level for 5 division deviation the length of one. Okay, fine. So आपने फिर कैसे बता दिया 20 मीटर आंसर है? I couldn't get you. How did you say that the answer is 20 meter? Staff intercept is not given. Staff intercept कुछ मान लो एक, for example whatever you take it as, but this is the concept. Concept ये है जो मैंने आपको बता दिया. Whatever it is, yeah. So I hope everyone has enjoyed the session. This green card by Gradeup, which you can join just for 399 right now. Okay. Staff intercept will be given in the question. Don't worry about that. So 9,000 rupees you are going to pay to attend all the courses for 3 months. And if you are paying 22,200 rupees, you are going to get all the courses at 12 months. Everything will be posted, Subhajit, in the Telegram channel. So don't worry about that. Okay, so 30,600 rupees if you are going to pay, you have to do 18 months. For 18 months, you are going to get. For 2 years, you have to pay only 1,500 rupees to get yourself enrolled for all the courses, unlimited access to all the courses and all the mock tests. So just right now at 8 p.m, I am coming with all of you. Staff intercept given is 0.05. दिया हुआ है क्या staff intercept? अरे हाँ, ये तो दिया हुआ है. If the staff intercept on a staff from the located is given 0.05, ये तो given है. कौन बोल रहा है यार given नहीं है? Given तो है 0.05. If the staff intercept on a staff located at this for 5 division is 0.050. It is given 0.05. Okay, fine. So हो ही जाएगा फिर problem. चलो, bye everyone. Meeting you at quickly over there. Bye bye. Take care, everybody.